Hey there, fitness enthusiasts and relationship builders. Welcome back to Fitness Marketing 101. I'm Andrew, your host, and today we're diving into a communication channel that's as powerful as it is personal, and that's mastering email marketing. In this age of digital noise, email marketing is essentially your secret weapon for cultivating long-term relationships with your audience, providing value, and of course, keeping your fitness brand top of mind. Step 1. Build a quality list. Your email list is a goldmine of engaged individuals, so make sure you nurture it with genuine subscribers who willingly sign up for your content and your offers. Now, remember, quality trumps quantity. So building and maintaining an email list is like assembling a loyal crew for your next marketing voyage. And you can do this by creating sign-up forms, offering incentives, and promoting them widely. Make sure you segment your list for personalized communication. Always respect privacy and keep your content fresh. Regularly engage with your subscribers, clean the list of inactive members, and provide value through valuable fitness knowledge. Step 2. Segment your audience. Not all subscribers are the same. Segment your list based on factors like fitness goals, interests, and location. This allows you to send targeted, relevant content that resonates. Now, audience segmentation is like having different maps for different treasure hunters. It allows you to create content tailored to the unique interests of different groups within your whole audience. Now, this personalized approach boosts engagement, increases conversions, and builds loyalty. Plus, it makes your marketing efforts more efficient by targeting the right people with the right messages. So it's like setting sail on a focused, successful voyage in the vast sea of marketing. Step 3, craft compelling emails. Your emails should provide value and intrigue. Share exclusive workout tips, nutrition advice, success stories, and more. Make opening your emails a rewarding experience. Effective fitness-related email content is like a treasure trove of valuable information for your crew. So it should include workout demonstrations, as I say, success stories, nutrition tips, maybe training challenges, live workouts, Q&A sessions, fitness education, behind-the-scene glimpses, fun challenges, and of course, fun facts. These examples keep your audience engaged, motivated, and ultimately eager to join you on your adventures. Step 4, personalize and automate. Personalization goes a long way. Address subscribers by their names and tailor content to their unique preferences. Automation streamlines your efforts, sending the right message at the right time. Personalization and automation are like having a compass and a steady breeze on your marketing voyage. Personalization tailors your messages to each member of the crew, making them feel special and engaged. And automation ensures your messages reach the right people at the right time and effectively saves you much time and even greater effort. Together, they improve engagement, boost conversion rates, and enhance the overall efficiency of your marketing efforts, making your journey smoother and ultimately more successful. Step 5, effective subject lines. Your subject line is your email's first impression, so craft attention-grabbing, curiosity-invoking subject lines that entice subscribers to open and, of course, read your content. Impactful email subject lines are like flags on a ship. They're there to grab somebody's attention. They include intriguing questions like ready for a fitness challenge and benefit-focused sessions like unlock your potential with this great workout. Urgency-driven subject lines like last chance to join our special offer, well, they get prompt attention. And curiosity-inducing lines like discover the fitness secret everyone's talking about helps pique interest. Personalized subject lines like John, your custom workout plan awaits, well, they help build a sense of connection. Now, these examples ensure your emails are opened, read, and importantly, acted upon, making your marketing voyage a success. Step 6, call to action. Every email you send should have a purpose, whether it's directing subscribers to your latest blog post, offering exclusive promotion, or inviting them to a workshop you're hosting. Guide them towards that next step. Effective calls to action, they're known as CTAs, are like the guiding stars in your marketing journey. They direct your crew on what to do next, whether, as I say, it's signing up for a program, booking a consult, or sharing your content. CTAs, calls to action, create the climax in your storytelling, making your audience an active part of your narrative. And that's key. They're the bridge between your content and your goals, ensuring your marketing efforts lead to tangible results. Without them, your journey lacks direction, but with them, you steer towards success. Step 7, monitor and improve. So just like any marketing strategy, make sure you track your emails campaign performance. So monitor open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates, and then use this data to refine your approach. Tracking and analyzing email campaign metrics is like having a navigational chart for your marketing voyage. It involves monitoring key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and of course, unsubscribe rates. These metrics provide insights into how well your emails are performing, helping you, as I say, adjust your course if needed. They just ensure that you're on the right path, making that marketing journey that you're on much more efficient and highly effective. And remember, email marketing isn't just about sales. It's about more than that. It's about nurturing relationships, delivering value, and stay connected. And when you consistently provide value through your emails, you're building a loyal community. So there you have it, the steps to mastering email marketing and focusing lasting relationships with your fitness clients. So thank you for joining me on this marketing voyage. So I hope you found this video helpful and of course inspiring. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and like below. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, please feel free to drop me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the next exciting adventure in our Fitness Marketing 101 series. In our next episode, we're going to be diving into the power of collaboration and networking for expanding your fitness reach and creating lasting, impactful relationships with partners. I'll see you next time.